Alright y'all, welcome back to Quinny's Vlogs. It is currently 3:30. I got a couple things I gotta do today. Sorry I haven't been posting, I've been slacking. But I promise from here on out, the quality of the content is gonna be 10 times better. I'm gonna put a lot more effort into filming my videos and actually editing my videos. But basically what I gotta do today, I gotta go to Target to get a little SD card for my GoPro. I got this little mount. Also, we're gonna go to Orwood after, and I think I'm gonna go try the Travis Scott burger after all of it. So I'm gonna vlog the whole thing. So yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Alright y'all, so first thing I gotta do is pick up my boy Bryant and his boy Robin. So we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna go over to McDonald's, get the Travis burger, of course. We gotta try it. It's just facts. After that, we're gonna go to Target. I'm gonna vlog in there. Hopefully they let me record. If they don't, it's whatever. And then after that, we're gonna also go to Orwood, end off the video with some cliff jumping or bridge jumping, whatever you guys want to say. And then that'll pretty much be a wrap to the video. But I got some major videos in store for the next couple of weeks, so just be ready for them. But let's go to Brian. All right, we got the boy. Picked up the boy Bryant. Got the boy Robin in the back.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
hey,
sir.
rapper named Ilm. Get her.
Yes, sir. How you feeling about that Travi burger?
Man, I haven't had it yet, shit. But when we do get it, it's gonna be G.
Gonna be chilling.
About to be chilling, bro. Travi Patty.
If y'all see my first video, you remember Bryant. He was the pussy that cliff jumped with me.
Nah, hell no, bro. I actually went on.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said.
Oh, they said
yeah.
Oh, wow. It's
I mean, that's the fact he has to say, you know.
What did you talk about?
Nah, but he jumped that, what was it, like 45, 50?
It was like 45, no, about like 40 feet.
Wait, same place we're going today?
No, bro, this is way back, bro. This is the first video we ever made.
It's like a little, what, 15-footer?
Yeah, it's like a 20-footer. Yeah.
Hey, last time I went cliff jumping into water, bro, there's a rock right under the water.
Oh, yo.
Bro, I couldn't walk for like a day.
That's why you got boy, if you don't check, bro. Why you got that check?
It didn't break, surprisingly. But,
that's good. Didn't broke. Shoot.
Yeah, but we're gonna get over to McDonald's. G.O.D.
Let's go. Yeah, we are.
Alright, can I get one of those with a large Sprite?
With the large Sprite, anything else?
Yeah, a cup of water with mayonnaise.
And then can I also get a caramel fry
with toenails? Medium or large?
Large.
Small.
And what's your drink?
I
mean, what's your drink? What kind of flavor?
What kind of flavor?
Same thing.
Caramel?
Anything else?
Can we actually make that two of those?
Two of those? Yeah, anything else?
Just that.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, that's going to be 15.57 first window.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, big guy.
You're an idiot.
Bro, whatever.
You're an idiot.
Whatever.
Water with a cup of mayonnaise.
You didn't, that's what you got to do.
I can't fucking imagine. Yes, sir. Okay, let's get your little opening, huh? Oh, what they got on there, dude? It looks like
Kind of does, bro. Like no cast. They ain't trying to make that shit green.
This like a regular ass burger.
That's what it is.
That's for surely what it is. You know,
The name Travis in front of it.
we're gonna do a little. We'll just back it.
Oh. You know what always looks dope though? The fucking caramel frappe.
McDonald's.
But see how McDonald's be doing this?
Alright.
Let us all hang out the side.
Let's try it. Ready. To the face.
Tastes like a fucking quarter pounder with just bacon.
Throw it out.
It's not that bad.
It's not?
It's pretty good. Definitely not worth the hype.
Yeah.
But it's still good.
Well, McDonald's though. Oh no.
That shit was good. I don't know what everybody was talking about. Like, hella overhyped. Like, it's still good.
It's kind of overhyped though. Like how they made the.
Alright, y'all. So we just finished this Little Travi Patty. I don't know if you can see it. Honestly, I'd say it's pretty good. It's definitely not worth all the hype, just like a regular burger, but I'd definitely get it again. But pretty much with that being said, we gotta get over to Target, get my SD card. Hopefully they let me film in there. If they don't, it's whatever. And then after that, we're gonna head over to Orwood and then end the video up. So let's get it, man. Let's go. Yes, sir. Gotta get that, you know. Gotta watch. And these dumb watching, bro. I just want to my GoPro. Brian has no net.
Shit. Brian has no head.
Wow.
Shit. I'd rather have no neck than no head.
Really?
Shit. Yeah, bro, cause you gotta get head.
That's crazy.
I got everything, including
Oh shit! Oh shit!
What bitch?
all
Not
of
with that haircut, dog.
my personality.
What the hell? I don't like your personality.
What's up? Look at your hair, bro.
That's why Maddie got on you that one day. Huh?
Maddie got my.
Hey, you sick.
Yeah, we.
I thought you were talking about Kenzie. Never mind.
We cutted that shit out, huh? What's up, Robin?
Hey, you gotta pay for that.
Hell no.
Good, I got this right here.
This looks like the beginning to a porno.
Oh hell no. Maybe that.
Alright, y'all. So we now here at Orwood. We're gonna use this little point of view, and then I'm also gonna set this one up so that it looks straight at the bridge. Got the boy Brian. He already jumped. Boy Robin jumped too. So let's get into it. This is gonna be the end of the video, of course. I gotta rock the Buell suit, you know, cool little spring suit. Can't really even see it, but spring suit. It's looking fire. We forgot to bring a speaker. It's only down part, but let's get this shit started. Let's go. Go.
Pop drop it, bitches full in the pockets. Only taking dubs, bitch, you know how I rock it. Pop drop it, bitches full in the pockets. Real bad boy coming through, you cannot stop it. Pop drop it, bitches full in the pockets. Only taking dubs, bitch, you know how I rock it. Pop drop it, bitches full in the pockets. Real bad boy coming through, you cannot stop it. Rolling through my scene while my speakers bumping mean. Put it on my life, you know I'm moving up on things. I'm blowing up right like a can of kerosene. I'm living it up right, so they will always hate on me. I'm tripping up nice like an oil spill scene. Hey, picking up, gone to make a fucking squeaky clean. Little do you know you gon' be hung up on me. So when she see me, she gon' drop it for my team. Drop it. Drop it. Ain't even pour the money out my pocket. Pop pocket. Money stacking, bitch, you cannot stop it. Let me cut this shit and let me show you how I rock it, bitch. Got your eyes popping out the fucking sockets. When I rip, they speaking lies on me to stop the kid from fucking going rich. They must be tired of hearing me come out of someone speaking shit. Oh well, bitch, I did this by myself. Got my pen up and I'm dropping hits like hell. Oh well, bitch, I did this by myself. Got my pen up and I'm dropping hits like hell. I don't fail to make these fuckers hate me. I'm listening from dripping in. I know they wanna take from me. My hyphy energy to try to make a bad of me. I'm whipping in that foreign. I know it will take an aim at me. Pop drop it, bitches full in the pockets. Only taking dubs, bitch, you know how I rock it. Pop drop it, bitches full in the pockets. Real bang boy coming through, you cannot stop it. Pop drop it, bitches full in the pockets. Only taking dubs, bitch, you know how.
These next 2 weeks, it's gonna be a lot more production in the videos. Gonna be some in it. Gonna be some bad in it. Man, you know, we gotta get my boy Robin in some more videos too.
We'll get my music in the background and all that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Love
Yes,
music,
sir.
Subscribe, you know, follow. You know what it is. You know the business.
Make sure you sub. Push the little bell so you never miss a post. Also, I'm doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers. When I get that, I'm giving away a camera of your choice. I'm gonna randomly pick it. Obviously, it's like a $2,000 budget because I don't want to spend more than that.
Give me the 500 subscribers, so you guys better.
But give me the 500. You guys can win a camera. So yeah, we're just gonna keep jumping. Then I'm gonna wrap up this video. And we'll be cool for today. G.O.D.
Rock it. Pop drop it, bitches full in the pockets. Real bad boy coming through. through you, can I stop it? Lame, why you always hating on my game? Putting in work while her booty do the same. Bands up so you know I like somebody change. Next time we pull up in our own range. If I sign a deal, you know we ain't for smoke change. Everybody knows that I was bought it by the bay. Name another rapper who can spit it like Zay. Dropping bombs, I won't make my girl booty shake. Top driving bitches full in the pockets. Only taking dollars, but you know how I get. Top driving bitches full in the pockets. Real dope boy coming through you, can I stop it? Top driving bitches full in the pockets. Only taking dollars, but you know
I really like this point of view shot. I think it looks pretty dope.
Real bait boy coming through you, can I stop it?
Shit. That was the difficult part. Getting up with all this moss on the rocks. Shit.
Alright, y'all. So that's probably the wrap for this video. It was dope as shit. Got some dope shots. I'm loving that point of view shot. I told you guys my content was going to be a lot better. Sorry, I'm just letting all this water out. Yeah, but I told you my content's going to be a lot better. Probably going to edit this when I get home. Hopefully post it by tomorrow. So yeah, be ready for these next 2 weeks. Make sure you subscribe, press the little bell so you never miss a post. And I'm out. See y'all later.
What's something you can't deny? The truth. And I'm here.